Now in this video, I'm going to teach you about how to set the input type to email. So for that, start with beer to set email below the password label. Now write label and then write email. Now close the label tag and write input type, then write equals, and within that write email. Now you can also write the attribute called required and give an ID. Now let us save this. Now let us run it. So as you can see, here is my email thing. Now write your email here. So now get back to your editor and try this out.